Mexico's Popocatepetl volcano erupts, spews gas, ash into the air. A Mexican volcano's dramatic eruption has been captured in spectacular footage taken from inside a plane as it flew past the shocking sight. The Popocatepetl volcano began erupting on Monday, sending large plumes of smoke and ash as high as 5 kilometers into the sky. Passengers flying near the active volcano at the time were able to get a clear view of the terrifying eruption.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.